Greetings! Today I will show you how to connect and configure the ZkTeco f28. Go to the menu, select COM, Ethernet if you have a device connected via LAN cable. You need to register IP parameters here or enable DHCP. This device also has Wi-Fi. Now we turn it on. A network search is in progress. We select a network and prescribe a password from our access point. With the left button, the entered characters are deleted. With the right button, the characters types will changed. We do not connect it since we have it connected via LAN cable. Switch off. Next, select the cloud server and prescribe the address. It will be in the description. And we need to register port 1990. Go to the system section. Fingerprint should stand 15 by 35. Next, go to the Personalize. User interface. You can change the display of the main screen. Next, punch state options must be set to manual and auto mode. Short key mapping. These are the buttons that will be active on the device. We need only check in code 0. It will be using the button to the left, and check out code 1 will be use the button to the right. If you have two devices on access control, you must leave each with only one check-in or check-out button. Now we need to look at device info item to the serial number. Go to the device section, press add button, select the terminal, enter the name, serial number, choose a location and click save. Now we should have a connection. And so the connection appeared. You can also see it on the dashboard. Green dot. It is a connection. On the device you can also see the internet connection icon. Now select user, all users, and we find the user who needs to take a fingerprint. As soon as the connection with server appeared, all users are logged in here. Click edit, fingerprint. Then we select the finger from which you go to take a print. Then scan the fingerprint 3 times. If you want to block the menu, you need to change the role to superadmin. Now if you go to the menu, it will be unlocked with your fingerprint, and only you will have access to it. In the list of employees, you can quickly find employees using a PIN code. If you need to check out, press right and put your finger on. Press left to check in. We have two wires here connected. One wire is power. The other LAN cable is connected to the computer that distributes the internet. On the device itself, you simply take a fingerprint and note the arrival or departure. Removing fingerprints follows from the system itself, from the identification section. Here, in the fingerprint section, just click on the red cross and your fingerprint will be deleted. And click Save. And so we set up the ZkTeco device. Thank you for your attention.